Hey guys, this is Mil. This is the sound test on the Harbinger. So hopefully you guys will like it, and let's try it. Wow, the whole place is shaking. Holy smokes, guys. I'm telling you, guys, oh man, this new subwoofer Harbingers are amazing. So yeah, look at that. I mean, I'm not even full. That's not even, that's only quarter. So yeah, you guys better check this out. This is the most, so far, best bang for the buck Harbinger subwoofer that you can get online or on Star Center. Or any music store. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. The whole house is literally shaking. It's not even full power. So, I'm just saying, you know, this is the best subwoofer so far. So, anyway guys, this is our test on the subwoofer on the Harbinger, the new Harbinger subwoofer. So this is just a sound test. I hope you guys like it, and subscribe, and man, this is awesome. I really love this stuff. It's so cool.